you can see right over there, I have some spinach and some lime juice with some celery. You know what I mean? What I'm going to do, I'm going to be using some orange juice inside of it to make a nice lovely juice. Alright? So look at this recipe. It's something different, you know what I mean? So basically this is roughly about 2 handfuls of spinach. I'm putting it straight inside of my blender right there. Now what I'm going to do is cut up my celery. I'm using 1 stack of celery straight inside of the blender. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use half of a lemon, but half of a lime. What I'm going to do is remove the skin off the lime and just put the lime inside of it all up, because the lime doesn't have any seed, so you don't need to worry yourself. Nice one. Now what I'm going to do is just put roughly about half of a cup of orange juice. Lovely. And I'm going to put a piece of a ginger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this, left the skin and the ginger. Just a little piece of a ginger to bring in the flavor inside of the blend, inside of the juice, alright? If you have any, to be honest, if you have any kind of other recipe which you want to use in it, you could use in it, but I'm just going to just simply keep it natural like this. Now, what I'm going to do is blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you have a good blender, work perfect for you, you'll be okay. Lovely. So now, just blend it and see. That look really good. Beautiful, guys. I can't believe that is amazing. Really fantastic and nice. Lovely and nice. So as you can see, I just blend it up, but the one thing I did wrong, but it's fine, I put a little bit too much orange juice in it, but still look at it, still thick and looking good and beautiful. All right, really fantastic and amazing. So you can see it a little bit split, but what you can do to correct it, you can put some either ripe banana, some ice in it, but the time's a little bit cold, which you don't want to do that. But that is lovely and amazing. I want to take the time out to say thank you for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will definitely see you next time with more recipes.